Hey scientists, we are ready for our second part of lesson 4.2, investigating balanced forces. Let's go ahead and look at our agenda and our objective. Our agenda is that we are going to learn more from the Handbook of Forces, and then we're going to do our word relationship cards. Our objective today is you are going to discover how balanced forces can make an object motion stable. So let's recap from yesterday's lesson. We made this floating paperclip challenge. We noticed that our paperclip is floating, and we also noticed that there were two forces acting on it. The first force was that magnetic force. That magnetic force was pulling on that paperclip with the magnet. So it was acting between that magnet and the paperclip. That's how it was able to float. Now, the second force was gravity. We know that the gravity always is acting. It's always acting, pulling me down to the earth. Those are the two objects. So the two objects that gravity is working on the paperclip is the earth and the paperclip. We are going to continue to learn more about forces from our Handbook of Forces. We're going to go back to our reference book to help us make sense of how this floating paperclip device really worked. We're first going to look at our table of contents. Our table of contents is going to tell us everything that's in the book. So we're going to first look at pages 18. It says multiple forces because we are focusing on those two forces that already acted. We are going to read pages 18 through 23 to figure out how multiple forces can act at once. Go ahead and click the next slide to hear the read aloud.